Hey, to change your username on Twitch, first of all, you will have to click on the right upper corner on your profile picture and then go to the settings. From here, you will have to scroll down and you can find your username and the display name. So if you want to change your username, you will have to click on this icon and now you can find information that you can change your username once every 60 days. And the update will also take effect immediately and will affect how our followers recognize us. And our current name will be available next, will be available back in the pool of available users after 6 months. So from here you can make a change. That's actually how it looks with your Twitch link, and you can click update. But if you want to change your display name, you can do this quite easily. There's like no time restriction, so you can change it every time you want, and you have to click to save changes. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.